So here is the car if you're new to the channel. This is my 2017 Mustang GT 6-speed manual car. This is what we're going to be doing the video about. Pretty much going to be the same for any of your manual transmission cars. For you auto guys, I don't know, I guess you just hit the brake and the gas and do the same thing, but kind of using the brake as, I don't know, you auto guys are on your own. Anyways, so just a little bolt-on car, nothing special. Got 305s in the rear, so it's got some pretty decent rear tires. But if you can see, it is raining a little bit, so it makes it a little more slick. I will say it's typically easier to do it on dry pavement because once you initiate the 180, once you get it started, the drier pavement will actually grip your tires better, obviously, so you can slow the slide so you don't overspin. But we'll see how it is out in the wet today. But yeah, so it's a quick overview of the car. But like I said, any of your manual cars should be about the same. So let's get inside and let's get started. So the first step you're going to do is drive out to Mexico or somewhere north-south of the border, north-south, east-west of the border, anywhere. And you're going to go find a road like this that has like a good runoff on the side of the road, just in case you get a little crazy and you go off the side of the road. You don't want to have any signs or anything that you're going to hit. You want plenty of space for you to make it off the side. So definitely do that. So like I said, you can go across the border somewhere where the police are not going to get upset. Have you a road that's got a nice little side, not a ditch, but like nice flat side. So if you do accidentally run off, it's not going to be a big deal. Make sure there's no signs or anything. First step, you want to hold traction control however your car does it. You want to hold it, and this car you want to hold it for like 10 seconds, and that'll turn advanced track off and traction control. Because if you just turn traction control off, the advanced track is going to freak out whenever you start going sideways, and it's going to lock up and stuff. The car, whenever it's dry, it is harder on the car because obviously it's dry pavement, so you know, I'm not saying that you're not going to break a half shaft or something like that if you get crazy, but yeah, so it should be easier in the rain as far as getting slick, but yeah, so you can go straight in your lane, but it's also a lot easier if you kind of get an angle to the right and then cut it back to the left. It makes it a little bit easier to like get the slide started. So you want to rev it up a couple times and then dump the clutch, and you kind of just got to feel it out. So just like that, and it was a lot slicker because of the road being wet. But so you'll see it on the outside. But you really just dump the clutch, and then you kind of just have to feel when to let off. You don't even really think about it. Like I didn't even think about it. You just kind of do it, and it's really easy. We'll do it again, but oh, there's a car coming. So it's definitely something you want to practice. Like I don't ever do this like in front of people because I don't want to be that Mustang guy on a curb or anything, but it is fun to do. And if you've ever done donuts in your car or anything, you'll know just how intense it really is to do a donut in your car, especially on dry pavement. I mean, it's wild. It's a wild feeling. But this is a really fun, you know, it's cool. I do it in front of my friends sometimes, and they think it's awesome, so it's definitely fun. This is the first time I've ever done it in the rain. I typically do it on dry pavement. Like I said, when it's dry, it slows the 180 around, so you don't go off the road, because I didn't go off the road there, but I did go a little bit further than I was wanting to. So we'll go out here, and there's a truck. Alright, so it's starting to rain a good bit more. If you turn your car off, make sure you remember to then turn your traction control back off, because it definitely turns back on.
And you know, once you get used to this, I've never just completely done another donut around it, but I imagine it wouldn't be very difficult once you've started the 180 to finish it out. Alright, so just go up, rev it up a couple times, dump the clutch, and you'll feel it want to spin, then you push the clutch in and let her finish it out. Give her a good dump. Let her spin. And it is all in good fun, and it is freaking fun. So y'all let me know if you've ever tried that. And like I said, I didn't do it perfect there. It's wet. It's a little washed out feeling. Spins a little farther than you think. Whatever. But it's definitely super fun. And y'all let me know if you've ever done that, or if you're gonna do it now. Definitely be careful doing it. It's hard to get perfect. You definitely don't want to come out and go too hard and then wreck your car or anything like that. But it's definitely fun to play with. Have a decently wide road, and you know, depending on how short or long your car is, it can be a lot easier or a lot harder. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to do today. But oh, there we go. Y'all let me know what you think, if you've ever done it, whatever. It's definitely fun. Didn't do that great today. First time doing it in the rain, and it's a real fine balance between making it spin all the way and then making it sliding a little too far because of the wet roads. But I'll put in a couple clips of it whenever I did on dry pavement. I feel like it's a lot easier on dry pavement because it's a lot easier to judge how it's going to react. But it's definitely fun, and hopefully this helped y'all, or helped y'all. Hopefully y'all did enjoy at least. But I'll see y'all on the next one.